All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at how a company called Apptronics is yanking humanoid robots right out of the research lab and putting them to work in the real world. For decades, we've seen those wild videos of robots doing backflips or carefully walking on treadmills, right? But this is entirely different. We're looking at a machine built from day one to roll up its sleeves and actually solve the massive industrial labor shortages we're seeing right now. Just look at this quote from the company itself. They say Apptronik is developing Apollo, that's the robot's name by the way, as a commercial humanoid robot built to work safely alongside people and help solve labor shortages in industry. That really hits the nail on the head. They aren't trying to build some flashy sci-fi movie prop here. They are laser focused on creating a totally functional, reliable coworker for supply chains that literally just can't find enough human hands right now.
So let's get into section 1, meet the Apollo humanoid.
Now, Apptronik didn't just appear out of thin air. Their roots actually go deep into academia, specifically the human-centered robotics lab at the University of Texas at Austin. They were officially founded back in 2016 by CEO Jeff Cardenas and CTO Nick Payne. And since then, man, they have rapidly transitioned from bleeding-edge academic research to active, real-world testing. They basically took all that complex foundational science, the balancing, the actuation, and morphed it into a legit, deployable commercial product. Which brings us to section 2, built for real work. Now, what's really fascinating about Apollo is its size. At exactly 5 feet 8 inches, or 173 centimeters, it has a distinctly human-friendly footprint. It's not some towering, intimidating piece of heavy machinery, right? It's perfectly sized to navigate standard aisles, reach normal shelves, and just comfortably inhabit spaces that were already built for us. This means a company can literally drop Apollo into an existing warehouse without having to completely redesign their entire floor plan. And matching that everyday human height is a super manageable weight. Apollo comes in at just 160 pounds, or 73 kilos. For an industrial robot, that is remarkably lightweight. And hey, this is actually a massive advantage. In robotics, mass basically equals momentum. So a lighter robot is inherently a much safer robot, especially when it's working in super close proximity to human teams on a crazy busy factory floor. But listen, do not let that light frame fool you. Even at just 160 pounds, Apollo can haul a 55-pound payload. That's 25 kilos. That gives it the serious lifting strength you absolutely need for demanding logistics operations. Think about it. Lifting 55 pounds over and over for an entire day, that'll totally burn out a human worker. But for Apollo, that is just a standard fatigue-free shift. So you're probably wondering, what happens when it runs out of juice? Well, it features a battery-swappable design. Instead of the robot shutting down, plugging into a wall, and sitting idle for hours, which totally wastes valuable operational time, a human worker can literally just pop out the dead battery and slot in a fresh one in seconds. It's a total game changer. It means Apollo can work exhausting back-to-back shifts with virtually zero downtime. This is such a stark contrast to what we're used to. Historically, humanoid robots have been so research-focused, fragile, stuck in highly controlled labs, and honestly largely conceptual. But Apptronik completely flipped the script here. Apollo was built for commercial deployment from the very beginning. It is modular, durable, and fundamentally designed to take the bumps, the bruises, and the relentless pace of real industry. And that commercial durability, a lot of that comes from its modular architecture. This isn't just some engineering flex. It solves real major pain points for the industry. Being modular means maintenance is infinitely easier. Parts can be swapped out quickly, just like that battery replacement we just talked about. This gives you longer operating hours and, honestly, the holy grail for a company like Apptronik, scalable manufacturing. You can build, ship, and fix these things incredibly efficiently. All right, let's move on to section 3, powering global partnerships. Because of all these specs, the tech is already attracting some absolute heavyweights. We are talking major collaborations here. In the automotive world, you have Mercedes-Benz. In artificial intelligence, Google DeepMind. And in aerospace, NASA, who obviously brings an unbelievable heritage of deep space robotics into the mix. These guys aren't just sitting on the sidelines watching. They are actively teaming up with Apptronik to deploy Apollo in the real world. And thanks to those heavy-duty partnerships, Apollo is already out there proving its worth. They've demonstrated this thing actively handling boxes, managing warehouse logistics, and providing really crucial manufacturing support. It's out there navigating dynamic, messy industrial environments using autonomous mobility, all while safely working right alongside humans. So yeah, it's not just a concept anymore, it's doing the actual heavy lifting.
Which perfectly sets up Section 4, the future of humanoids.
If we look at where they're at right now versus where they're going, today's focus is super grounded. They are actively testing in factories, warehouses, automotive production, and logistics centers. Basically, highly structured places where the work is repetitive and super physically demanding. But the long-term vision? It's huge. Once they perfect this tech in the supply chain, Apptronik plans to scale Apollo into way more complex environments. Think healthcare, retail, and eventually even home assistants.
And that brings us to a really, really compelling thought. With this leap from the research lab to the factory floor happening literally right now, it leaves us with one fascinating question. How soon will a commercial humanoid like Apollo step out of the logistics center, walk through the front doors of your business, and become your newest coworker? The tech is here, the partnerships are locked in, and honestly, the commercial labor revolution is just getting started. Thanks so much for tuning into this explainer, and keep your eyes peeled. The future of work is literally walking right toward us.